Happy Friday, guys. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com about 7:30 Friday morning as we record this for you. And a complex of thunderstorms is off to our northwest this morning across Iowa and portions of Wisconsin, southern Minnesota. We're noticing some blow-off clouds associated with that complex. But for the most part today, I think we're going to notice a brightening sky as we progress through the afternoon hours, and that is really going to help serve to help boost temperatures, and eventually humidity levels will be on the rise this afternoon and evening as well. Forecast radar shows what's left of that complex of thunderstorms scoots off to our north as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours. Again, I think here across central Indiana we are dry today. The big story becomes the warmth and humidity this afternoon, and then actually let's just take a look real quick at forecast temperatures. We'll put this into motion and notice this tight pressure or this tight temperature gradient, and that's going to help serve to be more of a focal point, I believe, for potentially some more active times tomorrow and Sunday from a thunderstorm standpoint across portions of central Indiana, especially from the city and points north. But for the purpose of this discussion, let's just really focus in on the warmth. Mid to upper 80s expected this afternoon across central portions of the state, including Indianapolis. Forecast high is 87 this afternoon, and that will come with a dew point that will be on the increase as well into the mid and upper 60s. As we continue to advance this, again, just notice that tight temperature gradient. Upper 40s across northern portions of the state, and around 80 here across central Indiana around 8 o'clock this evening. Similar story through the weekend, and this cold front really will just kind of play around with us a bit, make for a difficult temperature forecast from north to south across the state as you see here. But for the most part, we'll be on the warm side of the front all weekend long. And for the most part, we'll also be dry most of the weekend. But that said, there will be a couple of chances, I think, of better coverage of shower and thunderstorm activity at times coming in here Saturday and again on Sunday. This is a look at the forecast radar as we progress into the weekend. I think Saturday evening and into Saturday night we need to monitor for the potential of more widespread shower and thunderstorm activity across the northern half of the state. And then as we go into Sunday, Mother's Day, again mostly a dry day, but we can't rule out shower and thunderstorm activity from late morning into the afternoon and evening hours as well. As we look ahead, almost daily chances of shower and thunderstorm activity can be expected as we go into next week. And that will help serve to finally trend more towards a more active, wetter pattern compared to normal, I think, for the majority of next week. It also should begin to cool off a little bit, at least more towards seasonal levels late next week. Guys, make it a great Friday. Have a happy weekend. We'll talk with you soon, and we'll keep you updated through the weekend here on NDWX.com.